Yes, yes, it is a blunder. Yeah, so I found, yeah, this is the blunder because he should go to queen d e2 for exit, safe exit. But you see, queen, yeah, I got it spotted that fine because I had bishop and queen better there. So I started the game. So I can think here. Knight d5, knight e4, one idea, or knight goes back. I think knight goes back simply because if I give him the pawn, this pawn can be weakened or not. Okay, I'm just now playing d5. Well, I think it's not so good move because double pawn. Now he will start attacking my pawn structure, or yeah, sorry, my e pawn on e4. He'll come here, so it's tough. I have this check. It is better or not? Or e6 first. E6, then I'm playing here. But still, this pawn is weakened actually. Weakened. So he castled early. He developed a good development. He did everything. Maybe he is coming with knight here. You see, he is making all the preparations and he is stopping. He is stopping my bishop. But I can play my bishop on ace5. Is it better? I think in the opening only for one pawn. I don't need take many action like this. Same piece many. Only for a pawn, so immediately I think I should go this. I think it can work. Then just saving this pawn, it is better. You see, he is smart enough. Maybe I can try knight or castle. Castle is better or not? I can play g3, bishop to ace4, bishop to ace4. My dark bishop I can place. So in the opening he is really playing good. I'm not playing the good opening. It is Campoman setter Caravan defense. I don't know more about this open. Just I play Caravan, but actually maybe I think better to play a6, save my bishop, or castle. Knight d7. I think I can play knight d7. If you attack my bishop, I will just play bishop g3. Okay, now one thing I can do, I can try push capture. Push this because I want to hit the pawn, because if the knight goes, okay, knight is attacking me now, right now. I can I can take it, but my bishop is also under attack, so I think I should save my bishop. What can you think, guys? Bishop d4, pawn into d4, pawn into d4 is better, or bishop bishop g6? I think bishop g6 looking that means better positional. That means my pawn structure can be bad. If you see, he started attack, but now I can take this first, then I can attack my this pawn e4. He is also winning a pawn here, but no, I have some attacks. I can attack, capture. He can capture this d5. I think I should play this first, and the queen has to leave that. Then I will try to attack his e5 pawn. It is better, but he is trying, still holding this, but I have this. I think my opponent makes a mistake because I have this bishop move first, and I think his queen lost. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, I don't see totally. I think just I'm attacking the queen. You see that queen is almost trapped because he cannot capture here, because my bishop is still protecting that, and f3 square. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, he sacked queen. Oh, he sacked queen. Oh, I think I should take the queen, not be f anything. But just he has a check. I think it's not important that. So I have time, so I'm thinking here. So, and it will be the shortest game of his 16 moves. And if I get an exchange, I should take it. Just he can go for knight d6 check. I am better. I'm better. King f8. I think king f8 is the best. Then he will capture one pawn. My bishop is still. I am just queen up now. So he can start attack, and he's still attacking my queen. I have to save. I think it's the best move. Okay, now he protecting that knight. Bishop on c4. I can capture here, no? I can capture here. I think I should capture here. Exchange the bishop. So I think it's so easy, and just I will eliminate the knight. And after the knight, now the knight needs defense actually, so he must put some defense. And actually, sorry, the bishop is hanging also. Oh my god! So I think I got so fast win, and just where is the moves? If I see the moves, okay, I just thrilled that I just started to play at least 10 minutes 20 minutes video, but you see, just I recorded 9 minutes here. The game is finished and so early, but I think it is the only game I want to show you today, because we started a tournament, so I am not taking more game, playing more games. So, and yeah, let's see the review. So first, because he got his queen trapped, so I just make, you see, after I just care, not good move, because his pawn is coming. So this move is actually not good, I think. Knight to safety, to move the knight to safety. So still he is 1.38. He's better, and this pawn is weakened actually. Weak pawn, he will attack it now. I know, but I don't know how he got. So I'm not playing actually according to the opening line, because I don't know the line. So I just, you see, another, and bishop g6, another inaccuracy here. So but his queen move is not good also. Bishop captures. Now you see, it is just kicking the queen. So yes, it is a blunder. Yeah, so I found, yeah, this is the blunder, because he should go to queen e2 for safe exit. But you see, queen, yeah, I got it spotted that fine, because I had bishop and queen better there. So I finished that move, and great move. I found this bit. It's good. I noticing that the piece is trapped. You will matter it. So I think it will help me in my tournament start tomorrow. Because in the tournament, stand tournament, I need to think my opponent and try to play my best, and find, if I can find opponent's queen or any piece trapping, then I can win all advantage. So hope you like this video. So stay tuned with Shadhok Moves YouTube channel.